In the labyrinth of Hollywood's glitz and glamour, a disconcerting narrative surfaces, challenging the notion of fairness in the industry. The spotlight now turns to Tichina Arnold, an industry veteran set to unveil potentially career-altering secrets about Tyler Perry. Perry, a formidable force in entertainment, is facing scrutiny not just for his alleged mistreatment of actors like Monique but also for systemic issues within his productions. Arnold, known for her advocacy for diversity and fair treatment, echoes Monique's struggle against underpayment. Monique, in the past, confronted Perry and others, alleging unfair sidelining and wage disputes, sparking a broader discussion about equity in Hollywood. Tyler Perry's journey, while marked by immense success, is tainted by controversies, including clashes with writers over union contracts, accusations of perpetuating harmful stereotypes, and casting choices that some argue reinforce biases. The recurrent theme of black men donning dresses in Perry's works also raises questions about the industry's expectations. Amidst this wild ride, voices are calling for change, questioning whether Hollywood, with figures like Perry at the helm, can truly embody fairness and inclusivity for all talented actors. The unfolding drama prompts reflection on the industry's darker facets, leaving audiences to ponder whether the time has come for a shift in power dynamics. Subscribe for more.